Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time seeing my face, hi, my name is Betty. If you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. So today's video is going to be on this wig that I have here, this hair. I'm really feeling this hair. I'm so tired of the long wig, so I decided to go for a TWA, and I love it. It looks so cute on me. I love it. I'm going to show you how I finessed this hair and made it look like this. So if you're interested, just stay tuned. Alright guys, no further ado, let's jump into today's tutorial. This is how the wig looks straight out of the box. I haven't done anything to the wig, so yeah guys. I look like an old lady with my fat cheeks, and oh my gosh, this is awkward. But guys, this is how the wig looks. It has 3 combs in the front, yes, and 1 comb at the back, and this is the hairline, very full. I have to plug, guys. This is ridiculous. Look, ew. I don't like the hairline at all, guys. Like, this wig is 8 inches, but I think it's 6 inches because this is not 8 inches, guys. This is not 8 inches. This is like 6 inches. You have to do some plucking and, you know, do some cutting to this hair. So yeah, the lace is not bad. It doesn't look transparent because this is not a transparent lace, so it doesn't look transparent. But I can do the plucking on my hair. I'm gonna do it on my mannequin head, and you know, so yeah, let's get it started.
Tell me what you wanna know. No need to rush, just take it slow. Let it all out, just lose control.
So guys, this is just water. I'm just gonna spray some water on the hair. So I like to get my hair wet before I do the plucking. That way I see what I'm doing.
I'll show you the way to go. Tell me what you wanna know. No need to rush, just take it slow. Let it all out, just lose control. I'll show you the way to go. Tell me what you wanna know. No need to rush, just take it slow. Let it all out, just lose control. I'll show you the way to go. Tell me what you wanna know. No need to rush, just take it slow. Let it all out, just lose control. I'll show you the way to go. Tell me what you wanna know. No need to rush, just take it slow. Let it all out, just lose control.
So guys, I use my Got2b glue because I hardly sleep with my wigs. If I sleep with a wig, then it's gonna be like just a day. I don't like sleeping with my wigs. Guys, this is the finished installation. I love it. I love the outcome. I love how I finessed this hair. Before it was looking too wacky for my liking, but now it looking bomb as hell. Yeah, I love it. The hair itself is not bad. I love it. It's so soft. I love the curls. I love the quality, and I didn't experience shedding with the hair. I'm gonna take my time because I just started wearing the hair, so I'm not gonna say, oh, I didn't experience shedding, because sometimes at the beginning, I did some cutting to the hair, so definitely I'm gonna see shedding because I cut the hair. But I'm gonna rock this hair with time, and I'm gonna give you updates on this hair. I'm going to leave the details on the hair in the info section, so if you're interested in purchasing this hair, you can check it out. Yeah guys, that is all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and also turn on your notification button for more upcoming videos. Thank you so much. Love you. Stay blessed, stay safe. Bye.